Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at Excel Dryer. Excel Dryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your Excel hand dryer. This video will help you troubleshoot a problem with your Xlerator hand dryer using the troubleshooting codes displayed by the flashing sensor. Keep in mind, these tips are for our newer units with codes that flash in the sensor. Our customer service team can always help with the diagnosis of dryer problems on older units. There are 5 types of classification codes we have assigned to help maintain and troubleshoot your hand dryer. They are maintenance codes, motor codes, heater codes, voltage codes, and control codes. Starting with the maintenance codes, there are Clogged prefilter, or if equipped, Clogged HEPA prefilter. Sensor light will flash 1 short, 1 long. The dryer will still operate, but the code will flash for maintenance. Clean the prefilter and snap back into place. On the HEPA units, if the code does not clear, replace the HEPA filter. A severely clogged prefilter, or if equipped, Clogged HEPA filter. Sensor will flash 1 short and 2 long, and the dryer will not operate until the filter is cleaned and replaced. On the HEPA units, if the code does not clear, replace the HEPA filter. Dryer is in lockout mode, which is traditionally due to an obstruction below the sensor. Perhaps the unit was installed over a counter, or a trash receptacle was placed below the unit. Sensor will flash 2 short and 1 long. Possible solutions: removing the object below the dryer. Clean the sensor or adjust the sensor range from the internal knob labeled with an R for range. We suggest mounting a dryer a minimum of 15 inches above a counter or sink. Before moving on to other codes, problems can occur when a dryer is receiving the incorrect voltage. Check that the voltage to the unit is correct for the unit. Domestic units come in a range of 110 to 120 volts or 208 to 277 volts. Motor codes. Motor is overcurrent. The sensor will flash 1 long, 3 short. If the voltage is correct, reset your circuit breaker. If the problem is not resolved and the dryer is still not running, replace the control assembly or motor. Motor is undercurrent. The sensor will flash 1 long, 4 short. Again, verify the voltage, and if correct, reset the circuit breaker. If problem is not resolved and the motor wire is not disconnected, replace the motor. Heater codes. Heater may short in the Xlerator hand dryer if incoming voltage is different than the dryer voltage. The dryer will stop and the code will flash 2 long and 3 short. Verify voltage. If voltage is good, replace the heater or motor. Voltage codes. If you have a power outage or a power surge, the dryer will stop and flash 3 long and 3 short. Check incoming voltage. Reset the circuit breaker, run the unit for 10 seconds, and see if the code comes back. If the main panel is under voltage due to a brownout or reduction of voltage, there will be a code flash of 3 long and 4 short. Again, check incoming voltage and try resetting the circuit breaker. Control codes. You may receive a code flash of 4 long and 3 short. This signifies a control is over temperature. Reset the circuit breaker to clear the code. If it still will not start, replace the control assembly. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at Excel Dryer at 800-255-9235.